Hi, it's Patahon.com. I'm Javier. We are in Chile Street and we are visiting now a nice apartment with 2 bedrooms in the 3rd floor. Now we are in the living room, in the dining room, sorry, and here we can see we have a table, we can see there a sofa, and we have this furniture here on the left. And in this side we find this built wardrobe with 2 sliding doors. Now it is full because it is still living someone here now, but it's going to be empty. And we have those doors too for storage. And now let's continue with the visit, and we are visiting now one of the bedrooms. In this one we have this double bed. We can see this bedside table, and here we have this chest of drawers, and we have a desk next to the window. And if we have a look here, we can see the view to this courtyard, and we have here some ropes for drying the clothes. And in this side we have this built wardrobe with 6 doors, and there we have more place for storage. And now let's continue. And here we access to the bathroom. Here in the bathroom we can see we have a pedestal sink there. We can see here a toilet, and behind these sliding doors of mirrors we have this bath. We have 2 windows, one here and the other one here, and we have a view to the light, to the courtyard we have seen before. Here we have a bidet too. And now we are in the living room. In the living room we have this red sofa, we have 2 armchairs, we can see a coffee table in the middle of the room, and we have this furniture in this side with a big TV. And we have here this window that has a view to the courtyard. We are in an interior property, but the flat is very lighty and we have silence. That is very important. We are in Colombia, near the Metro of Colombia. And now let's have the last look to the living room, and let's see the other bedroom. Now in this room we have this, we can see a desk, and we have another furniture that you can use it in the dining room. And we have another window that has the same view. And well, that's all. We are going to see, not that's all. We are going to see the kitchen in another video. See you now.